Hey, what's up everyone? This is a quick video to show you how to monetize your YouTube account using the new version of Studio from YouTube. So if you're in the dashboard and you're trying to figure it out, I can't find a way to do it. So what I do is I go to Creator Studio Classic and I'll just give a generic reason other. And so now we're back in the old version of Studio. So we're going to click Channel. And then we're going to go to Monetization. And then we're going to go ahead and monetize this, this YouTube channel. That's pretty quick and easy. I can't find a way to do it on the new version. The only way I could find is going back to the old version. So if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. Thanks for watching.